Please watch the whole video. If you find the video informative, please provide the feedback in the comments box, click the like icon, and subscribe the channel. Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These cyber attacks are typically aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from users, or interrupting normal business processes. Here's an in-depth explanation of cybersecurity. Key components of cybersecurity. 1. Network security protects the integrity, confidentiality, and accessibility of networks and data. Measures include firewalls, antivirus software, and intrusion detection systems. 2. Information security focuses on protecting data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. This includes encryption, access controls, and data masking. 3. Application security ensures that applications are secure against threats throughout their lifecycle. Security measures are integrated into the development process, including code reviews, application firewalls, and penetration testing. 4. Endpoint security protects devices like computers, smartphones, and tablets that connect to a network. Endpoint protection solutions include antivirus software, endpoint detection and response, EDR, and mobile device management, MDM. 5. Identity and access management, IAM, ensures that only authorized users have access to resources. Techniques include multi-factor authentication, MFA, single sign-on, SSO, and role-based access control, RBAC. 6. Cloud security addresses security concerns for cloud computing environments. This includes ensuring data integrity, confidentiality, and availability in cloud storage and applications. 7. Operational security includes processes and decisions for handling and protecting data assets. This encompasses incident response, disaster recovery, and business continuity planning. 8. Critical infrastructure security protects systems and assets vital to national security, economy, public health, or safety, like power grids and water supply systems. Types of cyber threats. 1. Malware, malicious software designed to damage, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to a computer system. Examples include viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, and spyware. 2. Phishing, fraudulent attempts to obtain sensitive information by disguising oneself as a trustworthy entity, often via email. 3. Man-in-the-middle attacks occur when attackers intercept communication between two parties to steal data. 4. Denial of service, flood a network or server with traffic to exhaust resources and disrupt services. 5. SQL injection exploits vulnerabilities in an application's software by inserting malicious SQL queries into input fields. 6. Zero-day exploits take advantage of software vulnerabilities before the vendor has released a patch. Cybersecurity practices. 1. Risk management, identifying, assessing, and prioritizing risks, followed by coordinated efforts to minimize, monitor, and control the impact of incidents. 2. Security policies and procedures, establishing guidelines and practices for securing information and responding to incidents. 3. Regular updates and patch management, ensuring that systems and software are up to date with the latest security patches. 4. Employee training and awareness, educating staff about cybersecurity best practices and how to recognize and respond to threats. 5. Incident response plan, preparing a strategy to address and manage the aftermath of a security breach or cyber attack. Importance of cybersecurity. Protect sensitive data, ensures the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. Prevents financial loss, avoids costs associated with data breaches, such as fines, legal fees, and loss of business. Maintains business continuity, ensures that business operations can continue or quickly resume after an incident. Builds trust, enhances the reputation and trust of businesses and institutions among customers and stakeholders. Cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field, requiring constant vigilance and adaptation to new threats and technologies. It involves a combination of technologies, processes, and practices designed to protect networks, devices, programs, and data from attack, damage, or unauthorized access. Thanks for watching the video.